Hello friends, welcome to my channel Vidisha's Creations. Now we have just marked the black portion because this is the hair portion and I have marked over there, and we will finish it later because this is the hair portion, that's why I have to do it. Okay, now we'll start with feather only. We have 3 feathers, so we will start, today we will do on the only feather. Okay, so first I need to tracing. This is also hair portion, this one. Okay, and this is the we have 3, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so we'll start this feather work. So for the feather we are taking one palette. First I have to remove the canvas. Okay, and I'm taking yellow ochre, little bit. Okay, I'm taking here yellow ochre, and if you don't have gamboge then you can use this shade of yellow. Okay, because you have 3 shades of yellow in your box, so you can take this yellow. Now mix it well with any brush. I am taking 2 drops of water and just mix it. Okay, now I am taking again 2 number brush, 2 number long hair brush. Okay, and I'm doing this part only with yellow ochre. Okay, so I'm taking the yellow ochre and just finish it. Like this. This is in a very simple manner which I am doing. Now we'll complete this because we have 3 peacock feather. Okay, now it is done. Now let it get dry, then we will do second wash, which I have done already here, and you have now you got to know what is the blending. So first it will get dry and then we will do this. Till then we will color this portion. So for this I am taking Persian blue. See, you can see here I am putting my, okay, I am taking Persian blue. Okay, I am taking little bit of Persian blue in a proper proportion, and sap green, because Kerala Middle is always mixing the color. Okay, this is sap green. Yes, this is sap green, and mix it well. Again, just you need to mix it well. I am taking 2 drops of water, 1 and 2. Okay, and just mix it. You need to mix it in a proper way. No lump should be there. Okay, be careful, otherwise your canvas will get destroyed. Okay, now again I am taking my brush. Right now I am taking the brush and just coloring this portion. Okay, I'm using 2 number brush. If you want to use any other brush, then you have freedom to use any other brush. I'm taking 2 number yellow brush because I'm comfortable with this. Okay, if you're comfortable with any other brush, then you can use that brush. You can take sap green more and Persian blue little less, and I am taking equal ratio. But if you want to make it more green, then you can take sap green more and Persian blue very less. Okay, both the color mixing are right. Now we'll fill here. Because it's a very flowy color, because I have added 2 to 3 drop of water, so I got the flow of this color. So I am very much comfortable about long hair 2 number brush. Just you need to make the line like this. Again, just you need to complete this. Okay, you can use this brush to make the proper stroke. Both the matter I am showing you. If you want to make with this brush, then you can use thicker brush, because this is 10 number brush and it is comfort as well as comfortable like 2 number brush. Just let it get dry. Okay, now I have completed major part of the feather. Now we are doing to the center part of the feather. Okay, now I am using more Persian blue like this little bit. Okay, and just I am mixing with this. Okay, and make it little darker. Okay, this should be required, and just fill it here. Just I am taking this blue, okay, and fill it there. Like this. Okay, now I'm taking the red color which I made for the line work. Okay, and just make it the line like this. And just make it shade with water. Just take water and just mix it. It is wet, so be careful. Okay, let it get like this. Just make the line. And take water and just mix it like this. Okay. Again take water and mix it. You have already learned this step when we are making ornament. Okay, now let it get dry. I'm doing the finishing coat of this because it is dry. Okay, it is always it is still wet, so I have to wait for a minute. Okay, let's start. Now it's totally completely dry, so we will start on the outer the next process. So for this, if it is light, then you can make the lines with the dark portion, but it is dark, so I'll use the light color of the green, okay, which I am making. This is light green. I'm taking little bit of white. Okay, I'm taking little bit of white because I need to make the lighter line. Okay, so first I'll make the color. I'm mixing some green color, little bit of green color here. Okay, and mix this shade. Generally on the light base we will do the dark lines, but for the little bit of innovation I'm using light shade on the dark base. Okay, so just we'll start to make the lines with 000 number brush. So I am starting to make the thin lines. Okay, so starting from there, okay, like this. I think color is not, I have to mix it properly because it is getting dry. Okay, just I need to make very thin lines. Like this. Use 000 number brush. Like this. It should be very thin lines. Okay, so to make this you need 000 number brush. Don't use 00 and 0, use triple number brush. It is very good to make thin lines. If you have light color base, then you can make this line with dark color, and if you have dark color base, which I have, so I am using light color lines. Okay, this. Color is not there in my brush. Oh, I think I have to start from there. It is easy for me because this is wet. So it is very common problem when I shoot something and I have to twist my canvas and I have to show also, so I have to more careful. Okay, I'm twisting my canvas. You need to be focused when you are making line because it's a very focused work. Okay, now the third feather, the same process, just make some lines like this. Okay, like this. Now the second process is like just make some line here, to make some highlights with the same color. Like this. I think it will be easy for you all because I'm teaching in a very simple way. Okay, got it? Now our feather, this work has completed. Now let it get dry for 30 seconds or a minute. Okay, after 30 seconds we'll start shading with the blue color like this. I'm taking this blue and just a little bit here, the blue color is there. Okay, oh sorry, you are not, this blue color which I have used to make the like this. In the olden days they have very selected colors, but nowadays we have lots of color and artists are using all the colors to make Kerala mural. So you can use the color. The Panchavarna color is the same, which is like the 5 colors. There is no blue, I have told you in the earlier videos. This is black, white, sap green, Persian blue and scarlet lake. There are 5 colors because they didn't use any blue color, but nowadays artists are using the blue color also. After that, when it will be completed, okay, then you need to again black color to make the lines like this. So I am using here, and just make the line. It is wet, so you have to be careful. It can be spread. I will show how to use black twin marker to make the lines. Okay. Like this, just make all the line with black. Okay, now your feather is going to be completed. I have to twist my canvas. Push it. Yes, there is the problem which I have to face every day when I am shooting. If canvas is big, then okay. Because I have to make it zoom, otherwise you cannot understand to make the strokes and all. That's why. Okay, now your feather is almost completed. Okay, so just start doing this. We'll see in the next episode. Till then, bye bye, take care.